Oh, so you thought you could just sit down and enjoy the latest and greatest episode of Dr. House, did you? Gunga again. We've got a level 7 dishwasher emergency here because your Maytag is leaving dirt inside your cups, probably because you've never cleaned it. This clip, if you press it in, you get to get rid of the top basket, which is necessary in order for you to undo the other 2 clips for this water sprayer. Then there's 2 clips here in the middle, and you'll be able to slide the pipe right out of the bottom of the dishwasher. To get rid of the bottom sprayer, you turn the wheel counterclockwise and it just pops off. I don't really know the trick to get rid of this metal shield. It's held on by clips, and then the bottom plastic part just pops out. And incidentally, the first disgusting abomination will probably be here. Mine's not that bad because I've already done this not too long ago, but the real deal is right here. This is where an ancient and eldritch abomination lives, so you better prepare yourself. This will get ugly and absolutely disgusting. I'm not kidding. The first time I did this, I almost gagged just at the sight of it. Yes, but you have to fight this evil because it is corrupting your dishes as we speak. And now the real test. What will we find? Ah! Oh, okay. I'm not kidding when I say this part right here accumulates this gelatinous Cthulhu-looking goo. It's disgusting. And just when I thought I was out of the woods, Gunga's most nefarious brother, Gunga-Lunga, gets one last strike at me and cuts my finger right open. And let this serve as a warning to you. This part also seems to accumulate glass shards. Yup. Look at that. If you've ever broken a glass inside your dishwasher, that's just something to look out for. This part splits into 2 and you can clean it. It rotates on that hinge and then you can snap it back together into one piece again. It also helps to then go back to the dishwasher and finish the cleaning job and just spray some water on it. But the Gunga-Lunga still gets its last laugh as it sets you up with this puzzle if you don't remember which way this thing goes in. This is upside down, by the way. The only way to put it in right is with the grated part down. Now we reassemble. See this little arched piece? It aligns perfectly with a similar piece underneath it, and that's how you know how to align this ring or whatever you want to call it. Then comes the sprayer, starting from the bottom, going to the middle 2 clips, and then to the top 2 clips. This metal shield is attached with 4 tabs on 4 quadrants of the ring, and that's how you attach it back into place. The bottom sprayer you put in and you rotate that plastic thing clockwise. And with this, you will be ready. For many a kitchen warrior have fought valiantly against the Gunga, but it is truly only the chosen ones who can vanquish the ancient evil known as Gunga-Lunga. If you are pure of heart, skipped your lunch, and are vigilant, you may just emerge victorious. But the image of what lurks under the grate may haunt your memory forever. Godspeed, and may the latest episode of MASH forever live up to your loftiest of expectations.